Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screens once again. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I have been taking care of my twist out. So last night was the first night, and all I did was just put my hair in 3 little buns and keep it moving. So today's hairstyle is going to be very simple. It's not even that deep, and you guys know that I don't really like necessarily like touching and like styling my hair, because to me it looks styled as is kind of vibes. If it's like in an afro like that, that is styled. I don't need to do anything extra to the hair, you know. Yeah, I don't. So without any further ado, let us get right into it. To achieve all of the hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you guys throughout the week, you won't need any special skills such as knowing how to braid, because I made sure I chose styles that don't require that, nor need any special tools. You will just need products such as a leave-in conditioner, and that's about it. You don't need water, you don't need a gel, you don't need an oil. This is how I kept my hair moisturized throughout the whole week. You will see for each style I always begin with a leave-in conditioner, because it has just enough water and just enough of the other ingredients in it, which are quite creamy. We are testing out a twist out, which I did with you guys in my previous video. So I want to see how long this twist out lasts throughout the week. Am I going to be losing definition, and is my hair going to be kept stretched throughout the whole week? You guys will see each time I come in front of the camera, my hair is either in 4 buns or 3 buns. It just depends on how I was feeling the previous day, but I'm trying to simplify our attitudes towards our hair. You know, it shouldn't be met with a lot of emotions of like, oh my gosh, you're feeling overwhelmed, etc. So we are doing a simple hairstyle, which is so easy. You don't need to braid, you just need to do a little side swoop. You know, I didn't do a middle part, it's a side swoop for a reason. Okay, so pick your favorite side of your face and grab you some bobby pins, section up your hair a little bit. You guys can see I'm not taking too much hair because I want a lot of volume. My ends are still very much defined. I'm loving this hairstyle. For a second day twist out, I still think it's holding up just fine. I like the definition, it's still there, the separation of my hair. Gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section if this was simple enough for you guys. I think it really was. This hairstyle will be making a comeback because it's so simple, so easy, doesn't take a lot to achieve, and that is it. Oh, you guys, I was feeling myself. The second day is coming and it's here. I didn't even do too much. So what I noticed is that my hair was starting to shrink a little bit. So to ensure that I don't lose length, I decided to put it up in 4 buns. Once again, go in with your leave-in conditioner, massage that in, take your time, okay? Wake up your hair. It was sleeping for 8 hours. Take your time. Once again, use your fingers. As you can see, you guys, I am not really even using that comb as much as I should be. Just take into my hand. It's not about perfection. For this hairstyle, again, do a swoop, and then the middle part of your hair, you're going to grab it and put it in a bun, and then the back of your hair, you're going to fluff up. Take your time. Once again, when you're doing this, take your time. It's your hair. It's beautiful. You're styling it, all right? And we're not even needing any special requirements. You don't have to know how to braid. So I'm doing this hair challenge whereby I am going to wear my hair out for a full month. I am doing great because today is April the 18th, and so far so good. I'm loving it. I have about 2 if not 3 weeks to go, and I'm trying to change my attitude towards my hair, because I'm somebody who always resorts to just braiding it back to back, which is not good for you. And I think this challenge is going to really repair the relationship I have with my hair. And then on Friday, so on Monday it was just twists, Tuesday it was a twist out that I fluffed out, and then from Wednesday to Friday, these are the hairstyles that I did on my hair. Nothing will ever beat a high bun, okay? For a high bun, just gonna do a little string, that is long enough, and then you're gonna make sure you just tie your hair nicely. I'm not using any gels on my hair, right, or water or anything. This is how flat my hair goes by itself without me having to use any additional products. But the secret is in the fluffing of your hair with your fingers. Massage the product in there. Don't do too much either, because you still want to have some sort of definition. What I would say is the previous products really held up well. I'll be doing another twist out. Absolutely loved them, and this was such a cool experience. I have been reusing the products, so yeah, absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye for now.